Know how to tell you guys. I don't know what that flu or COVID or whatever they claiming that it is. I just don't want to catch it. I was just in a nail place get my nail done, and the lady that was doing the nail, one of them, she was coughing like crazy. She was like this by her mask, not covering her mouth. I was like, give me a mask, because I don't want to get sick. You know, we got to be careful in this time. Just be careful. I would still walk around with my mask. I got my mask in my car. God forbid, if somebody come in here coughing all over the place, I just put on my mask. We got to protect ourselves. It's a serious flu going around. All right? All right, so take care. Thank you, guys.